all, welcome to John's Model Making. Today I've got the U96 U boat for you, pack 20. We've got kits, we've got 3 of them, 77, 78 and 79. That's 78, that's another piece of the hull, just a connecting plate. We've got a contact wire in there as well. There's kit 77, it's a motor, that's for the navigation periscope. And there's kit 79, another chunky piece of the hull. Looking cool, that. Yeah, I need to weather that up. So I'll be getting the actual submarine down. And we're going to pop this together onto the sub. We need to put the motor onto here, and then we can connect it to the top of the submarine. Excellent. And then we can test it as well later on. We've got the remote control. There we go. It has S1, S2, S3 and S4 on it. And we need the battery pack, of course, for the PCB to get it all operated. Here we have, this is the 4th compartment, which was finished a while ago now. I say a while ago, maybe a month or 2 ago. That is, we don't connect that to anything as yet, no. But we do in the last kit for this month, kit 80, we actually assemble the engine compartment. There's the engine up today. So we'll pop all this together with all the other, the bulkheads and the ceiling and everything. We'll do that in 80. But anyway, for now, we'll start with kit 77. So let's get on with the build. Okay, now kit 77. In this kit, the second motor for the navigation periscope is given a cable and attached to the periscope mount. The periscope assembly is then fixed to the hull structure. So we'll get this out and we can pop it into place. I think we just use CP screws. There we go, there's the cable, those are the CP screws, we get 5 of them, and those are BP screws, 3 of. So first of all we need to put the label on to here. Yeah, that will go into the motor, of course, just there, like so. We could test this separately, but I don't see the point because we'll be testing the periscope a little bit later. Right. Get the label off here. Get it attached to here. This has got M7 on it, which is cool, of course. Right, got that to there. And then all we need to do is to pop the Mavitar into here. Get that like that. There we go. Get it there like so. You want the plug that position, and right, we'll get the screws out now. Okay, we need the BP screws for the motor. Get that connected back up again. There we go. CP screws are for putting it onto the deck. Or the structure. There we go. That is the motor in place. Right, I'll get the submarine down. Okay, doke. Here we have the submarine now. The periscope will go here, the navigation periscope. 1, 2, 3, 4 screw points. Just make sure that this cable runs through those guidelines. There's openings here and here for it. So we can pop the periscope into place. Just like that. Excellent. And this cable will wrap itself over the top of here. Now we use the CP screws for this, 4 of. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent stuff. That's looking cool. Just make sure you don't get any trap wires. Brilliant stuff. We'll test this a little bit later. So there we go. That is kit 77. Let's move on to kit 78. Okay, now here we have kit 78. In this kit, the contact wire and a connecting piece are fitted to the hull of the submarine. Okay, let's get the parts out. There's the contact wire. There's the connecting plate. Excellent. That will fit that way. Those are the contacts. So fit that way like that. There we go. And those are the retaining screws. Alright, let's get the submarine. Here we have the submarine. Just start changing my cameras. Okay, now the contact wire goes into that hole just there. Just like that. Spread the cable this way, and then this plate, connecting plate, goes over the top. And we need 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4 to keep that in place. Might need a little bit of oil. There we go. They're all hand tightened, as you've just seen. Have a look at that now. Let me see if I can flip this. Let's take the panels off first. Yeah, we've only got 2. Right, let's have a look, see. Make sure nothing else falls out. There we go. You can see the connections there. Excellent. This will be for the power, of course, when we attach it to the stand. Brilliant, there we go. So that's kit 78 completed. Okay, now we have kit 79. A section of the port side hull is provided with this kit. You'll test the 2 motors operating the navigation periscope. So we don't actually put this onto the submarine, but we can have a quick look at it. There we go. That is what that is looking like. Looking pristine. Looks too lovely, that. Gotta muck that up here, yeah. We have some, can't remember what they call them, like drainage doors. There we go. You have to blacken them up. But this is looking cool. I love the rivet in here. Just have a look at what I've already done. Now you can see a close-up of what I've already done. Weathered it. This will eventually go here alongside it. There we go. Yeah, so we're going to have to get all that matched up. Obviously we've got all this cabling which will get tucked down into there once we get it all connected up to everything. But yeah, that will go there like that. Looks too clean, that. Right, let's get on with testing the periscopes. Okay, first thing we need to do is to connect the battery pack to the PCB, which we've already done. And then we need the label M6, which will go into this large socket here. Right, put the battery down, and then we can test it. S1, there you go, goes one way. S2 goes the other way. Put that on the front camera. Excellent stuff. Let's try M7. Okay, this is M7. So connect that in to the large socket. Pop the battery back down. Now the limit switches aren't connected yet, so be careful with this. Let's see. There we go. That goes up, and it goes down. But we don't want it. There we go. I think I might put some grease on that. There we go, that needs pressing down a little bit. So I might have to tighten up that screw up there. Keep that into place. Let's try that on the front. Just got to check these things out. Yeah, we know it's working, but we don't need to go all the way to one end to the other because, like I said, the limit switches aren't connected. Excellent stuff. Okay, I'll just tighten them up a little bit. That's a lot better. Can't see it slipping now. But I will put some silicone grease onto there as well. Excellent, there we go. So we know this navigation periscope is working perfectly. So there we go, that is kit 77, 78 and 79 completed. I'll disconnect all of this. That other port side hull section will get fitted in a later date. So there we go. We didn't need the remote after all, I thought we did. It only plugs into that anyway, if I remember rightly. But anyway, we don't need it, not in this with this pack anyway. I'll flip this around and I'll show you what we've got up to now. There we go. There are the 2 periscopes and my weathering. Looking cool, is it not? Yeah, I have added a little bit more to it than last time. But yeah, the 2 periscopes in. We have got the 4th compartment completed, just not fitted it, as you know. And the 5th compartment is the engine, which I'll do in the next video. I think that's better. I thought it was out of focus slightly there. I look stupid. Let's see if I can show you this again. There we go. Yep, looking cool. That's better, is it not? Brilliant stuff. Yeah. You can see me on Facebook as well. If you want to leave any comments as well, show me some pictures of your build as well. It'll be looking brilliant. I am involved in a couple of groups on Facebook, both U96 obviously, the submarines. So pop your pictures on. Let's have a look, see how everybody's getting on with this. But that's looking fantastic. Like I said, this is kit 79, kit 80. We put the engine compartment together, and we have another piece of the hull as well that we can, I think it's the lowest, is it the bottom section? Can't remember, it's another piece of the hull anyway. But we don't put the piece of the hull, the port side piece of the hull from 79 in place yet, because we've got all this wiring in the way. But yeah, hunky dory, it's looking fantastic. Absolutely loving it. It's going to look brilliant, this. Yeah, up on that shelf. Yeah, I keep thinking about where can I put everything as well. I need more room. Anyway, there we go. If you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon for kit 80. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.